हेलो गाइस, गुड आफ्टरनून एंड वेलकम बैक। सो आज हम कुछ स्टॉक्स देखेंगे डायरेक्टली एंड विल हैव एनालिसिस ओवर इट एंड विल ट्राई एंड सी लाइक व्हाट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज कि आगे क्या होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द मार्केट एंड विल बी ओनली यूजिंग सिंपल strategies, that is price action. Okay, so we'll start, and the first stock today we have is Bharti Airtel. It's a 1 hour frame. So what I see in this stock is it has created this kind of pattern. All right, so as I can see, this is a channel in which a stock is moving from I guess from 24th of March. So it's been moving inside it from a time, and we can see that यहाँ पे एक breakdown दिया हुआ है इसने. All right, we can see a breakdown over here. Okay, after breakdown it has given a good, I can say, about 10 points, 10 to 15 points of move. All right, so in this case what we can do is just wait for the market to move down. जैसे अभी उसने move दिया है, always wait for a retest. Okay, retest at least यहाँ तक, I can say, एक बार एक अच्छा सा retest देता है till this area, एक अच्छा सा retest मिलता है यहाँ पे, and if we see some kind of bearish pressure over here, then it is possible that the stock will have a nice movement, a bearish movement. So always wait for the retest. All right, and if shows any kind of bearish pressure, I'll be entering somewhat over here. Okay, because we can see that already there is a bearish pressure over here. The stock came here once, it went down. Second time it came here, again it went down. All right, so it is the same scenario over here. There is what we can say some consolidation over here. It has given a breakdown. So let's wait. Let it give a retest, and after that some bearish movement. Then we'll look for a short. We'll look for a shorting area. So if we short over here, somewhere over here, so we can put a stop, uh, take profit over here in this area. All right, and the reason for this is what we can say a major support right now. Okay, the stock did come over here but bounced back again. Did come over here but bounced back again. The same we can say over here. This was a resistance zone for it. Whenever the stock came here, it showed a bearish movement. All right, so this is a good support, and also possible if the stock shows any kind of bearish movement from the retest area, it will definitely give us this profit. All right, and if you're looking for a long term, I mean for a swing trade, you can go till here, or I can suggest for a take profit too, you can wait until over here. All right, so this is the same scenario over here. This was a resistance zone, then it turned to a support zone over here. All right, so if the stock gives a big bearish movement, it is possible that it can give us about till 480. All right, so I'll suggest, like in this scenario, Bharti Airtel is one of the good stock which is moving upside very good. So I'll suggest, if you're looking into the trade, go for it. But I'll suggest just take your profits by 520 partial profits and wait if the stock gives more movement till here. All right. So we'll move on to the next stock now. So the next one will be UPL. No, UPL is already covered. If you want to see UPL's analysis, you can look into my previous video I have already shared. So in this, I'll go for Ujjivan. All right. So again, we are in the 1 hour time frame. So what I can see over here is it has been consolidating in the same area for quite a time now. So what do we have over here is I can see the stock. I can say this as a resistance line. All right, and this as a support line. And the reason I have used this line is because this movement, this higher high movement has started from here. So this is the reason I take this as the initial initial point. So yeah, we can see that is Peenan pattern. This is called as a Peenan pattern. So I'll also be covering some kind of price action patterns and charts in a separate video that will be only based for patterns. All right, like how they work, how they give us the breakouts and breakdowns and entries for it. So I'll be covering it in a separate video. So over here we can see the stock is moving in a Peenan pattern from quite a time. I guess from 3rd April, 3rd to 4th April, it's been moving in the same area. So there are two scenarios over here. One, stock can give us a breakout. All right, the stock can give us a breakout. Just a minute. The stock can give us a breakout. Just a minute. Okay. So possible is the stock can give us a breakout. All right. Then a retest this area and then a good move. And in this pattern, like whenever this pattern is formed and whenever it gives a breakout or a breakdown, it is supposed to give a big movement after that. So always look for this kind of patterns, and I'll suggest mostly use higher time frames because it really works good in higher time frames. So I'll suggest you use higher time frames like 30 minutes, 1 hour. Alright, you can use 15 minutes time frame for getting the entry point, so that's okay. But I'll suggest use the higher time frames. Alright, so this was the one scenario like after the breakout, and also one more thing we can get is if the stock gives a breakdown from here. Alright, wait for a retest. Once we get a retest over here, we have a good confirmation that it will give a good bearish movement, so we can enter somewhat over here after the retest. All right, so in this case we can have uh, two forms, like it can give us a breakout or it can give us a breakdown, and in both the cases, whatever it will be, it will give a good a good movement we can capture from here. So please observe this kind of patterns. All right, so always keep an eye. Okay, so I'll be sharing more videos and more stocks, like different stocks and patterns in it. All right, and also I'll be covering a different topic in a different video regarding the price action strategies and patterns. All right, so this was for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and so you can get new videos and all the things. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.